This is Rodman in the morning. There's owls here. There's an owl over here. There's owls over here. Crazy, huh? Yeah. I hear you. There's owls everywhere. It's pretty neat. It's a very natural bird place. If you want to come and see birds somewhere, this is the spot right here. Welcome to Rodman State Park. This is one of the most bizarre state parks because it's built alongside this canal, which was started about 90 years ago. They're gonna take this canal and run it from about Jacksonville all the way across to North Tampa, and a way they could have big ships or barges come back and forth across Florida. This is longer than the Panama Canal, and it didn't work. So, but they did manage to tear up the Florida ecology here with this giant machine. It was a kind of like a giant submersible tank that came in and was able to do a couple of acres a day of just tearing through the forest here for miles. And then the canal ends at a lake up here. I'll show you that. And over here is there's some campsites right along the river, or the canal. This goes to the St. Johns River. And then there's more campsites around. I'll show you those too. Well, I'm in the bumblebee place. These things are everywhere. Anyway, this is this one view of the lake by the campground, and it's just full of birds. Today there were 4 bald eagles out here. I should have gotten a picture of them, but I didn't. They're all flying around and fighting, and then right now you've got a heron, a crow, sandhill crane. I'm out about 70 yards into the middle of this lake because they drain it about 3 feet every year. I don't remember why, but you can see behind me I got a herd of friends back there, sandhill cranes. There's probably a couple dozen of them there hanging out. They don't seem to mind me too much. And you can see those are the channel markers right there. There's the red and there's the green. Make sure you don't run aground. All right, I'm gonna go do a bit more exploring. These little circles, those are all fish nests. Pretty neat to see them, you know, on dry land. Oh, and there's a bush can. Let's see. Well, I don't know how old that is. But heading off to see the dam. The Dam. I forget, I think it's got a different name, but anyway. I guess it keeps the level of the lake. I don't quite know how they do it, but they've got the canal feeding the lake, and the lake feeds the dam, and the dam feeds some other damn thing. We'll go check it out. All right, I'm at the Kirkpatrick Dam, named after Senator George Kirkpatrick, who had the dam named after him. And all the environmentalists, well, they want to tear this down and make the river flow like it used to, the Ocklawaha River. And that was a while back, but I just heard recently that this dam is beyond its lifespan, so I think they're gonna tear the dam down. Cost money, so they didn't appropriate it this time. But I think the dam is gonna go, and then I'll show you this other stuff over here. Big fishing place. Well, this is one of the ugliest dams I've ever seen. It is just not very attractive. And the whole place is just full of litter and looks like shit. Birds are trashy, people are trashy, everything's trashy around this dam. So you can skip the dam. Skip the damn dam. Over there, that's the shore I was walking on earlier this morning. That's the lovely place to be. Not the dam so much. We're going to go down here and check out what's down here. This is the trailhead for the quad cycles, the off-road, small off-road vehicles, not Jeeps and stuff like that. Small motorcycles and little quads and things like that. That's what's at the end here. So I'm not going to go down there because I don't really belong down there. I've seen it here before, and this place is just jammed full of parking and everything else. It's just I'm here on a Tuesday, so not much happening, and that's kind of nice. There they go. Boom. Got the little off-road vehicle. All right, time to go explore this little trail over here by the beach. Pretty over here. Look at this beautiful beach. Tropical background. This is just beautiful here. So I'd say just skip the dam, and come out to this beach. I don't know if this beach is going to be here though when they fill this thing back up, but right now it's just beautiful. Not a bad reading spot, huh?